I want to go back to the decisions here. With the decision, especially with birthright citizenship, so much impacts so many people. I want to bring in senior ABC reporter Devin Dwyer to discuss more. Devin, thanks for joining us. What do you expect will happen after this is implemented in 30 days? That's the time frame that was set by the justices.
Yes, and that's the time frame that's built into the executive order, guys. And the big question tonight is, what is the administration going to do? We were asking the White House today and the Justice Department how this order will be implemented. They didn't have any clear answers. Will women who are pregnant in any state now have to go to the hospital with a passport, with their birth certificate? Will nurses investigate whether babies that are being born to U.S. citizens? All of those guidelines still need to be drafted by the Trump administration, and rest assured that the minute they are released, they too will be challenged in court. So a lot of legal battle still to play out here, even though today, as you've been saying, the administration can move forward with this. It is by no means the last word on this case.
Lieu of class action lawsuits at the end of the 30 days as well?
Yes, absolutely. And we've already seen just in the past few hours a number of new legal challenges filed by groups of pregnant women who are non-citizens in this country seeking to challenge this order, get protection from the order before it's rolled out. So just a couple hours ago in Maryland here, a big case, class action, group of these women filed suit seeking to block enforcement of the order against them. I'm told that other plaintiffs are gathering now to file similar suits in other jurisdictions. Perhaps we'll see a lot more of these around the country. So even though the Supreme Court said today that individual judges lack the authority to issue a blanket nationwide block on a presidential action like this, they did not shut the door on other ways of challenging this, and that's what we're starting to see play out right now.
And that's interesting, because are we going to see a hodgepodge of cases across the country? Where you live will depend on how things are decided and who brings the case forward?
That's been one of the biggest challenges, you guys. I mean, 22 states challenged this executive order, and they remain protected, at least for now, by a federal district court injunction. So the Supreme Court's decision today didn't change that from those states. So will we see citizenship rules one way in some states and another way in other states? What happens if people start crossing state lines? All of those questions have come up. They came up at the Supreme Court argument. The administration does not have any good answers for those scenarios just yet, but they will need to come up with some very soon within those next 30 days.
A lot of confusion, so many questions, and a lot of time in court we're going to see in the next 30 days.
That's
All
right.
right, ABC's Devin Dwyer, we appreciate your time this afternoon. Thanks so much.